Hi everyone, today we are going to see that the Modelsim software, how we have to create the project and how to simulate. These are the things we are going to see today. And what is the purpose of the Modelsim actually? Actually, that is used to simulate the VHDL and Verilog design. Okay, and we can see that in those waveforms in the Modelsim. Basically, the purpose is to verify the functionality. The model sim is not only used for the design, that is also used to verify the design also. That is in the will be helpful for the verification environment also. In my desktop, I have already installed the software called Model Sim 64 10.6D version. Okay, now I will open and one by one we will see. Yes, the software now it is opened with the already existing project. So what I want to do that I want to do that new project. So first I have to create the new project. So file new project. So this operation will close the current project. Continue. Yes. So new location, I want to give the name, project name, I want to give that adder. It may be the half adder or full adder or whatever it is. That is for our example purpose. Okay. So project name as I have given, and the file which is I want to create the new file. Okay. So file called adder.vh.v Verilog file I want to go. So just click this option also, Verilog adder.v. Okay. Now here in Modelsim there are many kind of windows. Among them one window is called a project window. In this project window the file name adder.v is there, but I want to write the program there. Okay, so already the existing program half adder is here. Okay, so that I want to copy and save it. Okay, file, save. Here you may be look like the font size may be very small, but we have the options to change that. At the end of this session I will show in what location you have to change these options. Okay, now file is stored here. Okay, Control S I have cleared. Okay, now just right click, compile selected. Right, compilation it was successful now. But there is some settings are there in the right link in the project window. Right link, project settings is there. Here if you are clicking display compiler output, suppose if it is in any error, that error also will be displayed here if you are mentioning. Okay, then simulate, start simulation. From the start simulation, among many folder, the last folder called work will be there. Under the work, our entity name or our entity or else module name called half underscore adder. Just I have selected it, then OK. After this simulate process, the entire signal name and everything will be placed in one window. Okay, but what are the signal we want to display in the waveform window, that we have to select it. Okay, yeah, right. Now it is many window opening. One is object window, another one sim window. In the sim window on the left side there is a called half adder is there. Our entity name, add to wave, all items in the design. Now you can see that waveform window. In that waveform window you can see all the inputs and outputs. Basically this is the half adder. So two inputs, two outputs. So the inputs are AB as well as the outputs are sum and carry. Okay, the input signal I want to give the values input A and B. Okay, just right click, force. I want to give all values 1. Both inputs I will make it as a 1. Okay, I have to run it as here it is mentioned 100 nanosecond. Just I am clicking one time, so 100 nanosecond it is run. Okay, suppose I want to change the value again go ahead, force, again I'll make it 0, then OK, again click one more time. So now the value has been changed. Okay, if the cursor is there, actually we want to insert a many number of cursor also. See here, 1 2 3 4, any number of cursor also you can use it. If you want to delete, you can delete also. Okay, once again I will change that input. A input I will change now 0. Again this is 0, like that, so both will be 1 and 0 it is coming. Now I will make it b value also, I will make it like force 0, then I'll run again. So the output has been changed like this. Okay, now I want to know when it is rising and when it is falling. That duration we want to find out. Means a very simple way, the 2 cursor, if you are keeping it, then here it will show that maybe exactly 300 nanosecond it may be. Okay, here it is showing. So the cursor option is very much useful whenever you are designing or simulating the high level work. Okay, so cursor and these things you can able to use it. And one more thing, I want to change the font size. Sorry, if not font size, font color, or else waveform color. How can I change it? Where only click and right click, there is a property, is there in that property. So waveform color and a name color will come. So in the waveform color I will make it as a yellow color, and in the name color I will make it like maybe sky blue color. Okay, so now you can see here the color has been changed. Here also little bit blue color, and this is yellow color has been changed. These are the changes we can able to do. Suppose some signal, it may be the integer or some kind of analog signal, maybe sine wave or triangle wave, all the things are possible and we can display here. Here the some more option also is there to display in the analog waveform also. Option is very much useful for that. Okay, now where is the option to change the size and everything? Yeah, in the main window you can see here, this is there is a tool called there is a menu called tool, and here it is edit preference is there. Inside the edit preference, almost all the windows are displayed, including the source window. Along the source window, that size also you can change. From here you can observe that there is an option called font, any font or any high level font, or maybe bold or italic, whatever the font size you want, you can change it and you can experience it. So this is basically, that is enough. Suppose if you want to quit that simulation, then you can come for our main window. You can come for our main window, library, yeah, main window, maximize. I'll maximize it. Okay, here maybe default. Suppose I want the layout has to be in default. There also some options are there. Okay, here no design option. Okay, then there are 5 options are there in the layout. Okay, in the layout, no design, simulate, coverage, and the last option, this one. Now all the project, everything is completed. Now I want to close this project. There are 2 option is there. Okay, so there is one option called quit-sim. 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 Then this will be closed. Again quit. Okay, now it is closing. Right, thank you.